So hi guys, finally the most awaited project is out here by Richard Hart, that is Pulse X, which is the third project of Hex family. First one was the Hex and second one was Pulse Gen, and now this one is Pulse X, which is the fork of PancakeSwap, or you can say this is like Uniswap. So this is the address given by Richard Hart. Double check this one, 0x07, and last one is DDC8. Only sacrifice tokens suggested by Richard Hart and the website. Okay, it is not any financial advice, friends. Do your own due diligence. Apart from these, you can also sacrifice using Binance Smart Chain token, Polygon, Avalanche, Ethereum Classic, and Ethereum Optimism. Tron you can also use from here. So website is also out here. If we talk regarding this, you can also go through and go through.
So they can go up very soon, but the difference between a dare and not could save some people. So I figured, why not release this address earlier? You know, it's easy, and as long as you confirm it across a bunch of channels like we just did, it's also safe. So enjoy your sacrificing, supporting freedom of movement and freedom of assembly.
Only put your money which you can risk here, and because it would take much more time. After 25 of Feb, everything would be out. These are the tokens which are going to be sacrificed by the maximum of the people. Just like this is Hex, Ethereum, USD coin, Tether, DAI, Shiba Inu, Wrapped Bitcoin, Crypto.com, CRO, Chainlink, Uniswap, TUSD, and Fox token, Synthetics, Terra USD, Carvadao, Gemini, Amplitude, 0x, Aave, Basic Attention token, Graph, 1 inch, WETH, Binance USD, Maker, and Compound, and so on. Okay guys, so you can do a lot, it's up to you. Now let's switch to the website, guys. This is the cool website, pulsex.com. This is completed before launch of and live of this website. Richard had already tweeted and given the address before few hours launch of this website, so for the convenience of the people, guys. Okay, so here you can check a lot of fund is going to be sent in maximum kind of tokens. Accordingly you can send, guys, but if you are sending, just double check you are sending through your own wallet. It must not be from any exchanges, it must be from your own wallet, controlled by only you, otherwise you can lose your fund. So a huge amount is going to be sacrificed. This is day one, and this is the timer for day 1, 10, 15, 17. So you are having almost 10 days to sacrifice and get a very good result and good bonus points. So 10,000 here, if you sacrifice $1, you would get around 10,000 points. So I think 10,000 point would be converted to somehow tokens or whatever the calculation they are making. But after sacrificing 10 of the January, the multiplier of higher price would be started, and you would be get around $9.9 is equal to 10,000 point. Sorry, yeah, so almost it would be 10x. It would be 10x within 2 months around. So that would be the math, guys. Stay updated, like, share, and subscribe, and do not come in much more FOMO. As Pulse and Twitter, you can also follow here. It is also owned by Richard Hurt, and a lot of things is going to be updated here. So guys, don't miss, and if you don't believe, just use a little bit. Can I sacrifice hex on just ETH? Anyone? Thank you. A lot of things are here, a lot of things, although it would take some time, but this is Pulse Expand. It is going to be great, a very good initiative. Just a minute, there was also a link. Yeah, info. Let's check this one. Yeah, here you can see this is the address. Double check this address if you want to sacrifice, but if you are scared, don't. It is not any financial advice, friend, because it would take almost 2 and 3 months, and your money, if don't take from any credit or whatever loan. Okay, if you have extra money, only then you can sacrifice. So go through here, and about sacrifice you can get a lot of information from here, guys. And volume bonus you would also get, same as with the Pulse Chain sacrifice. Just like with the Pulse Chain sacrifice, the Pulse X sacrifice will get a volume bonus multiplier of up to 2.5x every one sacrifice is publicly viewable during the period by checking public balances of the sacrifice addresses list on the each chain. This way you might know when you want to sacrifice some more to move up in the rankings. Okay, how to volume bonus. Imagine that each sacrifice point grows lakhs put on a shirt with a sacrifice address on it and lines up in a big line out front of an auditorium. The largest sacrifice point line up first, then the second, then file a row. So according to this, I am going to plan the last 5 days. February 25 will have the worst rate. First 5 days will have the best rate, friends. So this is my strategy, and I am going to sacrifice daily. For example, my target is $1,000, so I would just divide it to $200 each day, but on one day I would do much more. On one day I am going to sacrifice $500, and then on daily basis I am doing $125. So my average would be converted. Now I calculated that around, if you are sacrificing $1,000, you would get 1 million of the token. Sorry, 1 million token. You would get 1 million or 100 million approx, exactly like that. Okay guys, disclaimer is also here, like in Pulse Chain. So just go through here. They are saying that this would not have any monetary value because of they also go through legal framework and also taxations, so need to show these all things. FAQ, you can also go through the different kind of FAQ. Okay guys, a lot of information are here. What is personal website? Let me see. Richard Hurt. This is the personal website of Richard Hurt, and you can learn a lot of things over here. He is a very good guy and never rug pull, never dump the market. He is the owner, he is the god of the financial world, and many people became millionaire and billionaire by bless and good working of him. Okay guys, so these are the logos. You can download and do a lot of things with this. This is the intro video, and if you want to have the branding you can go through here, but not any airdrop is going on like that other one. On mode, PulseX was founded by Richard Heart. Follow him to get Twitter. I'm already following Richard Heart, Hacks.com and PulseChain.com. So a lot of is come to front. If you want to all in these all three projects, your life would be really awesome, but not any financial advice, friend. Risk is involved everywhere. So good luck guys. See you in the next video, and would show you the live sacrifice, how I am going to sacrifice using my wallet, whether it is Matic or ERC20 or TRC20, no matter. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Like, share and subscribe.